Here's Pollard, and sure enough, a first down and more. Welcome to the big show, Tony Pollard, his third touchdown of the day.
Seconds, Heineke looking, Heineke. They keep the play alive again. He flips it downfield, and McLaurin, the hometown kid, hauls it in at the 1 yard line. What a grab! He ripped it away from Stephon Gilmore.
That can win you games, literally win you games. Walker on first down, it's picked off! What a play! Lorenzo Carter takes it in for a Falcons touchdown!
Murray, end zone throw. Oh, what a catch! One-handed DeAndre Hopkins! And that is a Cardinal touchdown. Tyler's toss is good. Back to Rondale Moore. Stretches out of it. He's going to go into the end zone, and that's going to be a Cardinal touchdown.
McCaffrey behind the line, looking to throw it. Airs it out, has Ayuk wide open. He's got it for the touchdown. McCaffrey, the touchdown pass to Ayuk from 34.
Knows it. You never get ahead of yourself. As Hurts going down the field, can they do it again? Yes, they can! A.J. Brown, incredible! Touchdown number 3.
Four-man rush. Fields stepping up. Sidearm sling. He's got a connection. There goes Montgomery, who lost the football, and the Cowboys have it. It's Parsons on top of it. Micah Parsons on the move, and Micah Parsons is in.
First and 15. Mariota complete. It's Demir Bird inside the 25, the 20. God. Still going. Bird, the former Panther, touchdown to give Atlanta the lead. Walker on first down, moving to his left. And now Walker fires downfield, looking for DJ Moore. Oh, my